Good morning, students. Most welcome BBC Computer Online classes. So here the Ramesh sir. Okay, and then computer application for the class 8th. Chapter number 4th. Algorithm and flowchart. These are very interesting chapters. Okay, so one by one I will discuss what is the algorithm. So algorithm is a procedure for solving a problem. It means algorithm is a technique how to solve the problem. Okay, so algorithm is a process for solving a problem based on the conducting a sequence of specified action. Okay, this is a definition according the book, but second definition also you can say algorithm is a step by step approach to solve a particular task means what the problem you're having. Okay, so simple definition of algorithm means a step by step approach to solve a particular problem. So here I will discuss the characteristics of algorithm. It means some characteristics here, so one by one I explain. Number one, input. So it must take 0 or more input, so at least 0 and then more input we can insert. Output, it give only the one output, it means output means result. So here the output means result. Okay, definitions, it means each step must be defined precisely. Okay, means every step are compulsory. Effectiveness, it should be the possible for to calculate an exact value. So what the effect? Okay, it means the what the effect. So you apply any method, so what the result will come and what the changing, so this means effect. After then fifth point, termination. Termination means your task is over, your work is done, then after close, it means stop the work. So it must stop after executing finishing a number of steps. So simple definition, algorithm is a step by step solve the particular task, and here the input always have 0 and then many inputs. Output always give one outputs, and definitions, each step must are compulsory. Effectiveness, what the calculates and what the effect. Termination, it means stop after your all the steps are over. Second point, again the algorithm. So number 1 point, step to develop an algorithm. It means how to develop. So here the some steps. Number 1, analyze. Analyze means you research the problem first. What the problem? After then begin, start. Okay, after then input and process and output. Process means some process means execution. It means technique. Input some data, making a result, just like you making the 1 cup of tea. So first of all, analyze, you check you have all the material or not you having, then after you input the some number of item in bowl, it means water like milk. After then start the stop, it means gas, and output means after then you serve the tea to guest. Okay, some rules are here, so one by one I will discuss. Always begin the first step, start. So start is the first step. Second, always write each step in separate line. It means separate line are compulsory for every steps. Second point, after the next point, input, and input means read the data and input data, and use the word print, it means write what you want to output, it means result, and always end with stop, and don't make the long algorithm. Got it? Don't make the long algorithm. Let us review page number 55, some problem here. So how to solve? Write algorithm to find the simple interest using the principal amount, rate and time. So simple formula SI is equal to PRT divided by 100. So answer how to write? Start, input PRT, after that find the simple interest, it means process, SI is equal to like this one formula you apply here. Result, where store result? In SI, and stop. This is the first algorithm over. Second, to find the area of the triangle with the given the base of height. Base and height also given. So start, base, input base and h for height. The formula of this, A is equal to 1 upon 2 multiply base into height, and print A because all the calculation is stored in A. So A print and stop. Okay. Next algorithm, to find the profit of an item when the profit and cost are given. So start, input P and CP. P for profit and CP means cost price. So some formula here, profit is equal to P divided by CP into 100 of percent. Okay, and all the calculation is stored in PRO. Okay, so then store, then stop. After that, to find the circumference of the circle. Okay, so start, input R for circumference, means the radius, and circumference is equal to CIR is equal to 2 into pi r. So 2 into pi r. So pi means 22 upon 7 and multiply r, and where all the calculation is stored in CIR, then stop. And last, to find the sum of the square of two number m and n. So sum of square, so like this one, m to the power of 2 plus n to the power of 2. Okay, so input m and n, and formula here SR is equal to m to the power of 2 and n to the power of 2, and print SR, then stop. Okay. After then flowchart. There is also flowchart is a most important. Flowchart. Flowchart is a diagrammatic representations of step take to perform a task, and each step is represented in the form of geometrical shape. This is the first definition of the flowchart. Okay, it means flowchart is a diagrammatic representation. Second definition, a flowchart is a graphical representation of a sequence of steps. So many sequence of a step required to solve a particular problem. But students, so algorithm is a step by step solve the particular problem, but the flowchart is a graphical representation of the data. It means you making the algorithm, then how to print the algorithm in the form of graph. Graph means you can see in the form of graphical. So with the help of flowchart we can make. So some rules are here. So one by one we will discuss here. Number one rules here. A flowchart has only one start box and one stop box. So only one start box and one stop box. Second, the direction of the flowcharts either the top to bottom or left to right. So top to bottom is a direction and left to right also the direction. And last point, the flow of control follow only the one path. So flow of control, it means where are you going right and wrong. So flow of control only the one path. So next point, different shape. It means the many different shape, because flowchart is a graphical representation. So everything you present in the form of graph. So here the some shapes are, so one by one we will discuss. Number one here, oval. So oval structure like this. This means oval always used for input and output. It means and, beginning and end. Flow line. So flow line is a direction. Okay. And parallelograms is shape. It is either input and output operation. So here you input and output operation. Rectangular form. This one it means the process. It means execute. And diamond shape is especially yes and no for. It means the condition is true and condition is false. Okay. So how to use, then I explain now. So some problem here, then one by one discuss. Draw the flow charts. Okay. So to find the simple entrance, principal, rate and time. Okay, like previous example. So better start here. Read three variable here: P, R, T, principal, rate and time. Okay, because you input, so input symbol here, input symbol. In previous chapter, this one is a input symbol. Okay, so input symbol, processes. So in rectangle form, SI is equal to PRT divided by 100, and print. Both input and print symbol are same. Okay, so print SI and stop. So this one is a over. Second question, to find the area of the triangle with a given base and height. So here start, you can make like this type of shape also. Okay, this is also the oval shape. Read base into B and H. Process is equal to 1/2 base into height, and print A. So important point here, input symbol, input diagram and diagram of print both are same, and processing diagram, it means the where you doing calculation. So this one is a rectangle form, and end, start and end both are same. Okay, next, to find the profits. Okay, so profit and cost are given. So beginning, read R, circumference 2 pi R, it means 2 into pi value of 3.14 into R, and print the circumference, print. Okay, and then end. Yeah, this is also important point, decision making. Decision making, it means the condition is true and false. So algorithm always have the if then else statement is used whether the flow chart is yes and no. Okay, it means the two condition here, like to find the greater number between the two A and then B. Which one is greater, A greater than B? So with the help of diagram we can see. Start, input two number A and then B, and here decision making symbol, this is a diagram, this is a diamond shape. So diamond shape is A greater than B. In that case, in case of A is greater, yes, so print A is greater. In case of V is greater, it means V is a smaller, than B is a greater. Of course, in that case, A is greater than print. In case of no, B is greater, so print of V, then stop. Okay, here the check the condition. In case of A is greater, so stop the B. In case of B is greater, then V is coming here, then stop. It means V print. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.